Welcome everybody to today's video. So today we've got a Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 which came out in September of 2020, and we are going to unbox it today and tell you a little bit about it. So let's get right into this. Now the first thing we're going to do is break the seal so it comes open nicely. Okay, so the unboxing experience is maybe not as nice as an iPad, but that might also have to do with the fact that I didn't cut open the other seal. So we've got a nice pull tab here. Get that out of the way real quick. Now let's look at what's inside the box, shall we? Now I'm actually just going to remove this real quick. Nice. Okay, so first of all, what we have here is a charging cable, which seems to be USB-C to USB-A. So always nice to have that, although I think the Tab 8 will already have a USB-C two-sided. We've also got a power brick, which is rated for 7.8 watts. So that is also not a fast charger, but it's okay. After that we have our warranty card and a short introduction to the device. We also have a SIM remover tool, so if you're ever going to use that, this might come in handy. Now let's see what else we have got. This is the device itself. It is covered in this noise protective cloth, which I cannot seem to be able to open, although here we have it. Very nice. Now, does look pretty nice if you ask me. Okay. Our Tab A7 came in grey, which is, as far as I know, one of the nicer colors. There also is white, rosé gold, and I think another gold color. The device has got an octa-core processor with 1.8 GHz. It's got 3 GB of RAM, and it's got a 10.4 inch display with some relatively big bezels at the side. Let's turn this bad boy on to see if it works. I mean, it should, it's a brand new tablet. So. And there we go, we can see that it's powered by Android. I think natively it's running Android 10.0. If I'm not mistaken, could already be 11.0, but I'm not too sure. So, what can I tell you about this tablet? It's got a 10.4 inch display. It's a TFT panel, and it's got a resolution of 1200 by 2000, which is don't get me wrong, I think it's called UWXHD+. It's a very weird format that I have never heard before. I didn't even know that there are so many different types of resolutions. But that's just the way it is, right? Okay. Now let's choose English of the United Kingdom here. Go to next and select our country, and we will now restart it to see if it works. Nice. What else? As you can see up here, you have a 5 megapixel selfie camera, which lets you record some very nice pictures of yourself. I mean, 5 megapixel isn't too much, but I think it's enough probably for most people. Here in the back we have an 8 megapixel main camera, and this thing is capable of shooting video too. You can only do 1080p 30, but again, who is going to use their Galaxy Tab A7 to shoot some cinema movies? Well, there might be some people, but I think it's not the majority. Now let's just do, let's just do this, do this. Now we will have to choose a Wi-Fi network. costly. This thing actually has a 7040, I believe, milliampere hour battery, which is much better than I expected actually. It also, this is a bit of a drawback I think, is that you have 32 gigs of RAM. No, sorry, you have 32 gigs of storage. And due to all of the software that is already installed onto it, you only have about 19.5 gigabytes open for usage, which I think is quite little, if you ask me. Especially if you plan on, I don't know, saving some pictures, some data, some videos, you know. I think 19 gigs really is not that much. However, obviously, contrary to Apple and their iPad and iPhones, here with Samsung you have a nice slot where you can just put a micro SD card. Up to 1 terabyte is supported, so there's plenty of room for your pictures and videos and data on that. We've got a USB-C charging port, as you have seen previously with the cable, and a 4-speaker audio system actually here. 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. We've got the volume rockers and the power button, which are made from plastic, I suppose. Yeah. And here on the side we have a microphone. We have a microphone down here, and that's it. We don't have any more microphones. But that's okay. How many microphones do you really need? I don't know. I can't tell you. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. And we will do a detailed review of this baby next time. See you.